Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mealie Meal roti, of which I'm going to use it for my soya chunks and cabbage. I've got 2 cups of 250 ml water measured. I'm going to pour it gently into my hot pot and then allow it to come to the boil with 2 tablespoons of margarine and 1 teaspoon fine salt. When this water comes to the boil, then I have a cup of Mealie Meal, of which I will let it cook into the water. Now my water is boiling and my margarine is melted out. I'm going to add in my Mealie Meal and I'm going to lower the heat without stirring. Thereafter I'm going to cover it and let the Mealie Meal cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, now the Mealie Meal is ready to stir. In fact, you have to create like a hard porridge. Stir it in well. You see the water is sort of reducing. So it's 2 cups of 250 ml water to 1 cup of Mealie Meal. Will give you a nice hard Mealie Meal porridge. But this is not porridge, we're going to create it into roti. But imagine eating this with fish curry. In Hindu we call it sangati. So I'll just let it simmer for another 10 minutes and then I'll get on making my roti. My Mealie Meal is ready now. There you are. So I'm going to put it into a little bowl. And this is 1 cup of flour. I'm going to gradually add my flour in and give it a good stir. Now it's a little too hot to handle, so we'll let it to stand for a little while. In the meantime, I'll get a little water boiled in the kettle, just in case we need more water to dough it in. Now the Mealie Meal has slightly cooled down, so I can be able to handle it. And I will start to make a dough. If I feel it's a little stiff, I'll be adding in some water gradually and flour. And see, it's sort of very grainy, so I'm going to bring in my 1 cup of boiled water and add it in gradually. I'm adding in my 1 cup of boiled water, I'm giving it another stir. And this is a cup of flour, so I'm going to use maybe another quarter, and then I will dough it with my hand to see how the dough is. Another quarter cup of flour to the dough. So all in all we used 1.5 cup of flour. Okay. There you are, the dough is nicely done, not too soft, it's just good for handling. I will just cling wrap it quickly and let it rest. Should have used the scissors. Here you are, just a small cling wrap, let it rest. Now I'm going to make my Mealie Meal roti. I took a chunk out there, and then I'm gonna see whatever size we are gonna go for. Must remember always to have your tawa in readiness. Mealie Meal roti actually cooks in a little higher heat than any other roti. And in most cases they do crack in the sides. That's normal. So this is what you can do for your cracks. Just mend them in. But in fact it is a normal finish to crack. There's your roti. I'm going to put it into the tawa. The tawa get nice and hot. Okay, there goes the first roti. First roti normally doesn't come out that perfectly well. Okay, this is my first roti. I'm going to put in my second. Usually the second one always comes out. Now I'm putting in my second roti. In fact, this dough actually made about 10 rotis. Okay, there you are. The roti is giving a good rise. This roti is actually made on a very high heat. There you are, your soya and cabbage curry served hot with hot minimal roti. Enjoy and thank you for watching.